Welcome to the Rajarata University of Sri Lanka, a bright center of learning in the heart of our island. Our main campus is well placed near the ancient city of Mehintale with good transport links. Just a short 12 kilometers west is the UNESCO World Heritage Sacred City of Anuradhapura, Sri Lanka's first historical kingdom which lived for over 1,200 years. This area is deeply connected to history, especially Mehintale, where Arahat Mahintero brought Buddhism to Sri Lanka, profoundly changing the island's culture. Explore the old sites that reveal its deep spiritual and cultural meaning. Rajarata University of Sri Lanka has started in 1995 and approved by the University Grant Commission. RUSL has been helping shape futures for almost 3 decades. Rajarata University of Sri Lanka proudly holds the 11th position overall among states universities, stands strong at third place in research and ranks 8th in societal impact, reflecting its steady growth, academic strength, and meaningful contribution to the community. At present, diverse student population of the university is over 12,000. Rajarata University of Sri Lanka isn't just a place to study. It's a place to experience surrounded by nature. It feels more like a peaceful gateway than a busy campus. The green trees, the calm breeze, and the wide open spaces make it the perfect spot for learning, thinking, and growing. Rajarata University proudly stands with 6 remarkable faculties, each adding its own strength to the university's journey. First, the Faculty of Social Sciences and Humanities. Then, the Faculty of Technology. Followed by the Faculty of Applied Sciences, the Faculty of Medical and Allied Sciences, next the Faculty of Agriculture. And most notably, the Faculty of Management Studies, shaping tomorrow's leaders. Among our excellent faculties, the Faculty of Management Studies has been a key part of quality education since 1996. For over 30 years, it has led the way in management education, always updating its courses to meet the changing needs of global businesses. As one of the 6 faculties, FMS acts as a center of excellence in management studies. It currently has over 4,500 internal and external students and 150 postgraduate students, with a dedicated team of about 70 academic staff members. Presently, the faculty offers 6 Bachelor of Science honors degree programs for the discipline of accountancy and finance, business management, human resource management, information systems, marketing management, and tourism and hospitality management, and also conduct Bachelor of Business Administration external degree program, Master of Business Administration, and PhD in management programs. Most of the graduates who passed out over the last 3 decades hold responsible positions in government, industry, and trade local and overseas. Rajarata University has a main library equipped with quiet self-study areas and offers free Wi-Fi across campus, creating a great environment for students to learn. Along with dedicated faculty and modern resources, it's committed to providing quality education for all. The pool complex is a great place for students to relax and refresh themselves after studying hard. The main sports ground is where everyone comes together to play, have fun and build teamwork. These activities, along with the strong academic support, really help students grow in all areas physically, mentally and socially. Plus, there are lots of cultural and arts events organized by students that make university life even more lively and exciting. The Faculty of Management Studies at Rajarata University of Sri Lanka has always been about shaping future leaders who don't just have book smarts but a confidence and drive to truly make a positive impact in life. It's a place where students grow not only academically but also personally, ready to face real-world challenges with skills and heart.